Hey guys, this is Tim Dawson with the Mountain Automotive. Today I have a 2015 Ford F-150 XLT. This truck is an EcoBoost as well too. I'm going to walk you around this truck and show you some features real fast. Here's a good shot of your rims and tires. Got nice chrome rims on this truck. Plenty of tread left on the tires as well too. This truck is also equipped with tow mirrors. In case you're pulling anything, you're going to have the tow mirrors right there. This truck is a non-smoker as well. There's no funny smells inside of this truck. There's no rips or stains in the seats. Overall, this truck's extremely clean inside and out. No cracks or fading in the dash. Now, this truck has also completed a 150-point safety inspection. And we also put a 30-day powertrain warranty on everything that we sell as well too. Here's a good shot of your back seat. Again, there's no rips or tears back here in the back. Carpet's extremely clean as well too. Here's a good shot of your cab corners. I always like to show the cab corners on a Ford. Sometimes you get a little rust there. There's no rust on this truck at all. One more shot of your rims and tires. Again, this truck is four-wheel drive. It's also equipped with a tow package, and you have a backup camera as well too. There's your bed liner. Got the nice plastic bed liner in the truck as well. Let's move around to the driver's side. Again, no rips or tears. All right. So obviously this truck does have power windows, power locks. You're also going to have adjustable pedals, so the pedals are power as well. You're going to have a power driver's seat. In your driver's seat, there's no rips or tears in the driver's seat. I'll show you your dash. Now, I mentioned earlier, this truck is equipped with a backup camera. You have your AC controls there, obviously your radio. Down below you have an aux hookup, and you also have a USB hookup as well too. On the steering wheel you have all your mounted controls. You're going to be able to make telephone calls, set your cruise control, all that stuff there. Again, this is a 2015 Ford F-150 XLT, clean Carfax. If you have any questions on this truck, feel free to give me a call or text. My phone number is 309-310-3034. Thank you.